you guys could get this video 99 views, and if you guys could reach us with 10 likes, that will really make my day. It's your boy Triz here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an intro. And if you guys were looking around, I'm going to show you guys how to make a 3D, 2D, or any video game intro. So how you could do it is you have to go on Google. This only works on Google, not Internet Explorer. See, Google, not this website, not that. No, not internet browser. Where do you get that from? Get Google. Google. Yeah. Okay. So how to make your intro? Go on your Google thing, not internet. Put pan, capital Z, O-I-D. Then if you go there, click on this. There's 3 options: video editor, clip maker, or background. First, you need to log in. Click this button right here. It should tell you this. If you're signed into Google, just click that. Let me just sign in for a minute. And now that I'm logged in right here, go to Clip Maker 2D or 3D tool. When you come here, you can pick any intro. This one looks nice. Oh yeah, guys, I'm making my own intro soon. Just stay up for that. Just wait, it's loading in, guys. Okay, so then you have to click this eye thing right here. Click it, and then you know, that's kind of boring. Let's get the your name one. Yeah, there's even outros or intros. Doesn't really matter which one you want. Wait, is this the intro or outro? Because I know I touched the outro. For sure. It's the intro, guys. So how can you change the name? Go here on the side. None of these. This, the block. Text. Click on that, double click it, your name. Your own thing. What about and then boom, look. Looky, guys. This is the final look. And that's only one of them. Office. That's only one of them. Now, all you need to do is to click here, start video render, and then it should say how much time left here. It should take about 2, 3, 4 minutes. Is this calculating? I'll just tell you when it's done calculating. Oh wait, no. See, like about no, it's gonna go down to like 10. So yeah, that's how you make free intros. I am your host, OgFz. Subscribe, click that bell, and yeah, guys, if we could try and hit me with this 29 subscribers, I got 25 right now. Let's try to hit 25 subscribers or 29 subscribers. And if you guys could go to my Triz clan, subscribe to all these people, subscribe to all these people, and that really make my day. Just click on this guy, guys. And cue intro. My name is Triz, and I am your host. See you guys later. Bye.